Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Civic rearview mirror. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and possibly a trim removal tool. Before you begin, make sure your Honda Civic is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged for safety. Understanding the basic mechanism, which usually involves sliding the mirror off a mounting button, will make the process much smoother. This initial preparation is key to a success. Next, focus on the mirror's base. Gently pry off the plastic cover that conceals the wiring and mounting hardware. A small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool works best here to avoid scratching. Once the cover is off, you'll likely see electrical connectors. Carefully disconnect these by pressing the release tabs. Some models might have small clips that need to be gently pried open to fully expose the mounting mechanism. Take your time to prevent any damage to the delicate wiring. Now for the artistic part, wrapping your dumplings. Take one wrapper and place about 1 tablespoon of your delicious filling right in the center. Lightly moisten the edges of the wrapper with a little water. This helps with sealing. Fold the wrapper in half to form a crescent shape, then carefully pleat the edges. This creates a secure seal and that classic dumpling look. You'll get the hang of it quickly. With the mirror successfully removed, take a moment to inspect the windshield mounting button. Ensure it's still firmly attached and undamaged. Store your mirror in a safe place, perhaps wrapped in a soft cloth, to protect it from scratches or accidental breakage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all electrical connections are secure and the mirror slides firmly onto the mounting button. A gentle tug will confirm it's properly seated and ready for use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.